So in this video, I'm going to talk about proteins and give you an overall summary of proteins. And so a protein is a polymer of amino acids. And so what that means is many amino acids come together and make up a protein. And so what is an amino acid? Well, an amino acid is a molecule with one carbon, a COOH, carboxylic acid group, attached to it, an R group, a hydrogen, and then an NH2 attached to it. The NH2 is called the amino group. And the COOH is called the carboxyl group. The R group stands for radical group. And so the R group is essentially what differentiates amino acids. All amino acids have the carboxyl group and the amino group. The R group is the only way they differ. And so the R can represent anything. And so there are actually 20 amino acids. And so 20 different types of amino acids. The different properties are determined by the R group. And so some of these amino acids are polar, some are nonpolar, and they just vary widely. And so to name proteins is actually pretty simple. Proteins, we'll get into that right now. Proteins are called peptides. So peptides are essentially molecules made up of two or more amino acids. So it has two or more amino acids. And then the amino acids are joined by peptide bonds. Peptide bonds join amino acids by dehydration synthesis. And so more specifically, it attaches the amino group to the carboxyl group. So the COOH gets attached to the NH2, that group, but a water molecule is taken out. So it would be something like this. And so it would be something like that along with a water. So you remove that and one H from here. And so to name it, peptides are named for the number of amino acids. So for example, dipeptide represents 2 amino acids. Tripeptide represents 3 amino acids. Oligopeptides have less than 15 amino acids. Polypeptides have more than 50. And then proteins, have more than 15. That should be a 15. And then proteins have more than 50. And so proteins can actually consist of more than one polypeptide, but we'll talk about that in a future video.